Do it my way.
Wait, stop. This girl does not exist. She is fake. Look at this Instagram profile. And now look at this one. They are both fake, not real. Hey Lemonheads, today we are going to create hyper-realistic AI influencers. We are even going to create stunning AI influencer videos. So are you with me or not? Let's go. Step 1. Gather your source image. First, we have to gather a source image. This is the image we are going to use to create character-consistent Instagram images. We need an image of a face that is looking right into the camera, like a passport photo. But more important, the person should not exist. We have to AI generate it. So what I did was, I searched for a face I liked, so I could use it for a reference. So let's go and search an image of your desired face and save it on your computer. Next, we head over to Midjourney. By the way, if you do not have Midjourney, you can also generate an AI image with any free AI image generator and use that image as your source image. I also made a video about the best free AI image generators, so check that out if you do not have Midjourney. For the people that have Midjourney, let's continue. Go to your Discord Midjourney server and type /describe. Now drag the reference image into the box that appears and hit enter. Now Midjourney provided us with 4 prompts. Let's generate them all. Now we have to choose which one we like the most and which looks the most realistic. I got to be honest, the images are looking almost nothing like the reference image this time, but okay. Let's choose this one here and save it. Let's go to the next step. Step 2. Gather your target images. Now let's gather the target images. For that, we go to cart.ai. This is a free AI image generator. Now what we want to do is look for a model that also has blonde hair. So what I did was, I went to the search bar and searched blonde. Now I was lucky and found a model that I wanted to use. You can use that image, but more important, if you click try, you get the prompt and model in your image generator chat. So now you can create unlimited images that look like that model. Like I took the same prompt and just tweaked it a bit. For example, instead of her being in the mall, I wrote that she was in the club. Now instead of this, you get this. You can also render the same prompt, and another image will appear. Also, I downloaded images of other blonde girls to use as target images that were similar looking. These are all the target images I downloaded. Step 3. Image creation through face swapping. Now comes a cool step. For this you need Midjourney, but I will put the GitHub link in the description. Maybe you can work your way around it. First we have to go and create our own Midjourney Discord server. To do that, we simply click the plus icon to add a server. After setting up the server, we need to go to the official Midjourney server. Here, click to show the member list and find the Midjourney bot. Click on the Midjourney bot and click Add to server. Now choose the server you've just created and continue. Now we're ready to go and click the GitHub link, which is in the description. Scroll down and go to where it says step-by-step guide. Now, on point 2, click that Discord link. Now select your Midjourney Discord server and click Continue. This way, you're going to add another bot to your server. Now go back to your Midjourney server. And as you can see on the right-hand side, you now should have the newly invited bot, the Insight Face Swap bot. Many thanks and praise to the creators of that tool. It's amazing. Now let me show you how it works. Go and type /save ID. Now where it says ID name, put a name like Instagirl, for example. I first tried AI influencer, but somehow it gave me an error. After putting in the name, you now have to drag the source image from step 1 into the box, and then hit enter. Now wait till it says that it has created your ID name. Now it gets interesting. Type /swap ID. Now type the ID name, so I will type Instagirl. And now in that box you have to drag in a target image from step 2. And hit enter. Look at that. It did an amazing face swap. Here is the before and after. Now let's do that process again, and for all the target images we have. Don't forget to save the finished images. So just type /swap ID, enter the ID name like Instagirl, and then drag the target image in the box, and now hit enter. Just do that again and again and again, till you are completely finished. Also make sure you have everything in ordered folders for nice and organized working. Did I mention that? If you can hear me now and type in the comments, ding ding dong dong, I will send you a cookie. And that was the last one. Here are all the images, before and after. Only one image swap did not work too well. That is this one. It looks like she has double eyebrows. With a bit of Photoshop you could fix it, but I deleted it. Step 4. Video creation with Google Colab. You thought step 3 was cool? Well, I've got to tell you, it even gets better here. Let's avoid Runway's image to video generator and create some hyper-realistic video with our newly created AI influencer. So first we need some video material. In other words, we need a target video. For that, you can create a video yourself or ask your sister or mother. But what I did was, I copied the model name from cr.ai and realized that that model was based of a real person. Then I searched her name on TikTok and found her. Now what I did was download one of her TikToks. Voila, there I have my target video. Just download it with any TikTok downloader. Now we got our target video. And yes, we already made a source image, but in my opinion, the source image looks unreal compared to the face swap images. So I choose this image instead as our source image. Also because her face is facing perfectly toward the camera. By the way, make sure the names of the files do not contain spaces. That will be helpful for the next step. Now, click the Google Colab link which is in the description. Run the first cell like I do, and wait till it's finished. By the way, many thanks and praise to the creators of that tool. It's amazing. Now drag your source image and target video into the files box so that are being uploaded. Now click the second cell and wait till it's finished. Now to avoid errors, please delete the path that says video quality 18. Next you have to copy the path of your target video by clicking on the 3 dots and then click copy and paste it into where it says /content video.mp4. Next, copy the source image path and paste it where it says /content image2.jpg. Now run that cell. For a 6-second video, it takes about 6 to 7 minutes. And then a file named swapped.mp4 will appear. If it does not appear itself, click the refresh button. Download the file and watch it. Let's watch that again. That's insane. Now let's do that with another target video. Before doing that, make sure you delete the swapped.mp4. Now let's search for a new target video and download it. I choose this one. Upload it to the Google Colab files. Copy the path and paste it in the target path. Run the last cell again and your video will be created. Let's watch it together.
How's it supposed to feel?
Let's watch that again.
How's it supposed to feel?
Now I only want to see that last part, zoomed in. It's so cool that it even face swapped the images. Step 5. Creating your bio and name. Now, for this step, we just copy this Instagram bio and name, and then we ask ChatGPT to make something similar. Boom, done. Next. Step 6. Creating a social media account. Now we got all elements we need to make an AI influencer. Next thing left to do is making an Instagram account and/or TikTok profile. Well, unfortunately Instagram didn't want me to create an account today, but I think you all know how to create an account on those websites. Many thanks to Gabriel, he sent me an Instagram DM asking about those virtual girls and how they were made. That's the reason I made this video. I hope you learned how you can do it yourself. Start making an amazing AI influencer and have fun. Go viral, make an OnlyFans and make it rain. Join the AI revolution and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.